Morning jog, guys. Actually, we are late coming here, but never mind. It's our first time coming here. It's our first time. It's my first time knowing that there's an area like this, which is public. So I think maybe tomorrow I can come here early to in order for me to notice or see the sea of clouds and sunrise. And actually there are guards down there. I pass to at least two guard post. One is down there and the other one is down there on the intersection areas. Actually, it is very clean here. No trash, no any trash. Then, as you can see, there's a guard post here. So there are two guards down there. Guard. So now we will return back to our base or to our boarding house. Actually, in this area, it is pure ascent. Of course, when you go up there, but when you go return back, it is descent or downhill. Compared to what I just ran a while ago, the straight area from Luacan to, I don't know, Baguio. It is a straight line. Although there are many joggers too that I am running with. But it's the air is polluted because it's a main road. It's a main highway. That's why the movement of the vehicles is non-stop. We're in here. There's seldomly vehicles coming down here. Actually, when I come here, I did not notice any vehicles going down, and now that I am going down, I didn't notice any yet vehicles coming here or going down. So I think this area is safe, refreshing. Oh, there's one taxi. Yeah, maybe yeah, only those taxis and other private vehiculars are the ones going in and going out in this place. That's one, and then there's the other one coming down. Oh, that's the one, and this the other one. Okay. So actually guys, one vehicle changes the uh, freshness of the air. So this is pure. This is only somewhat a little uphill, then going down there it's pure downhill. It's I think it's technical downhill. I think the straight line a while ago from Luacan going to Baguio is the road, or the, what do you call that, route of the 2023 Salong Fun Run held here in Baguio. The start and finish is in Burnham Park. Yeah, I think because when I'm running a while ago, seems like familiar angles, the way the road and the places seems like familiar. It seems like I've been there, or I've walked past that area. So that dead end there is the highway. Then the dead end there is the highway already, main highway. Going down there, it's the main highway. So guys, I will end the video here.